MIG welding in a vertical up position is arguably the most difficult position in welding. If the rate of depositing metal exceeds the rate of cooling, gravity will defeat the surface tension holding it in place and cause it to sag, ruining your weld. Although welding in a vertically down position is easier, it usually lacks penetration and strength on all but thinner materials. But with the new patent-pending Pure Pulse program, you can make a near-perfect vertical up weld in any joint configuration. The Pure Pulse program control adjusts the length of the weld pulse's time on for sufficient penetration and deposit, as well as the time off to precisely control the cooling rate. This will determine your travel speed and improve your weld. With other Pulse programs, the arc is never broken, but with the Pure Pulse program, the user can break the arc with the controllable length and frequency. The Pure Pulse controller interfaces easily with any MIG welder, so you can fine-tune the pulse sequence for exact puddle control. Starting point parameters for different joint configurations, including material thickness and wire diameters, are supplied with each unit, and more parameters will be provided regularly online. To use the Pure Pulse program, first set the wire speed in inches per minute and the voltage to make a good hot weld in the flat position. Then set the on time of the pulse. It should be long enough to get good wash and fusion, but not so long that it sags or drips. For plates of 3/16 to 3/8, 0.3 seconds is a good starting point. Next, set the time off. The time off between pulses is determined by the cooling rate of the individual pulse. When the arc occurs, the pulse will be molten and red hot. As it cools, the red color will fade to a small spot near the top center. The time off should be set so the welding gun fires just before the spot fades entirely. While the spot fades, the gun should be moved up and the wire aimed at the spot before it fires again. For 3/16 to 3/8, 1.2 seconds off is a good starting point. Make your best vertical welds possible with the Pure Pulse program.